Several years ago, I represented a woman who was involved in a horrible collision with a dump truck. In fact, the first time I saw her, after her husband had asked me to come to the hospital, she was in so much pain that she was in a fetal position in her bed and unable to communicate with me. She sustained the type of injuries that she will have to live with the rest of her life. And she walks with an assistive device and will always need one. I was able to help her in doing a thorough investigation concerning the facts of her case, in working with her doctors and other healthcare providers to present all aspects of her medical problems to those that ultimately were going to pay her for her injuries and other losses. One of the aspects of her case that the defense did not appreciate until we were able to document it appropriately through the use of vocational experts and economists was the loss of what is called earning capacity, as this woman was a nurse but was unable to return to that field. Yes, she could do certain things while seated at a desk, but she couldn't perform the valuable functions of a nurse, which would have far greater compensated her than any job she could have performed at a desk. So we were able to demonstrate that, finally, to the satisfaction of the insurance company, and which caused them to eventually agree to pay a fair sum to compensate her not only for her previous losses, but all those that she would undoubtedly experience in the future. So why do I tell you this story? It's a story about one woman who I was able to help, who was in dire need, who I found in a fetal position in her hospital bed, and who hopefully I have helped plan in a satisfactory manner the rest of her life. If you have questions, I will be more than happy to talk to you about them. So what I would like for you to do is to pick up the phone and give me a call at the number that appears on the screen. Thank you for watching this video.